Dear brothers and sisters, in the world's harshest deserts, where life seems impossible, nature hides an extraordinary secret of survival. A plant that looks dead for years, yet comes back to life within hours of a single drop of water. This is the resurrection plant. Our channel Mission Viksit India discusses new and innovative ideas in every video to help India become a fully developed nation by 2047. Today, we explore this astonishing biological miracle, and more importantly, what India can learn from it. Stay with us till the end, and do share your thoughts in the comments. This desert plant is scientifically known as Selaginella lepidophylla, and this plant survives in deserts of North America. When water disappears, it curls into a dry brown ball, loses more than 95% of its water, and enters a state called anabiosis, which is basically life on pause. But the moment moisture touches it, it unfolds, revives, and turns green, as if nature pressed the restart button. How is this possible? Its secret lies in a brilliant survival toolkit: protective sugar molecules like Trehalose, special stress-shielding proteins, powerful antioxidants, and the ability to safely shut down and rebuild its photosynthesis system. This is not magic, this is advanced natural engineering. Let us be clear and honest. This resurrection plant does not naturally grow in India's Thar desert, but its lesson is universal. Here in India, especially in the Thar desert of Rajasthan, nature has already evolved its own warriors of survival: kedri, also known as Prosopis cineraria, fog or Caligonum polygonoides, kyre or Capparis decidua, and native grasses like Centrus ciliaris. Different species, same spirit of resilience, and that is where India's real opportunity begins. From wonder to application is the Indian path. The future is not about turning deserts into rainforests. The Thar is an ancient, stable desert ecosystem. The real goal is smarter, deeper, and scientific drought-proof agriculture, rehabilitation of degraded lands, livelihood resilience for desert communities, and climate-ready crops. Indian institutions are already laying the groundwork. Ikar Kazri is pioneering desert horticulture, silvi-pasture systems, and water harvesting. CSIR, SciMap, and other labs study stress-tolerant plant genetics. The next leap is bio-inspired innovation. What if India learns from nature's toughest survivors? Imagine millets and pulses that survive longer dry spells, seeds coated with bioprotective molecules, crops that pause safely during drought and then revive after the rain, and soil-restoring microflora supporting our native plants. Not by importing foreign plants, but by decoding survival strategies and applying them responsibly. This is not fantasy, this is the future of climate-smart biotechnology. What can be the Mission Desert Resilience Strategy? India's desert strategy can actually blend a bunch of things: native grasses for fodder security, kedri-based agroforestry, traditional water harvesting along with solar micro-irrigation, gene labs that study drought tolerance mechanisms, and microorganisms for soil health, without causing ecosystem disruption. This is resilience, not just reckless greening. Here's a call to India's young scientists and also to students of biotechnology, botany, agriculture, and environmental science. This is your opportunity to innovate and invent. Study nature's toughest survivors, decode their stress biology. Go ahead and create drought sprays, seed coatings, bioshields, and desert-resilient crops, because the next breakthrough biotech industry might not come from silicon chips, but from plants that simply refuse to give up. India's journey to Viksit Bharat 2047 isn't only about cities, factories, or GDP, it's also about strong soils, secure food, resilient ecosystems, and confident farmers. The resurrection plant reminds us, no matter how harsh the drought, no matter how long the silence, life always finds a way back. So, do you believe India can build desert resilience through biotechnology and native wisdom? Write your views in the comments, share this video, and subscribe to Mission Viksit India for more future science and innovation content. Jai Hind.